What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you step-by-step recipes that help transform my body. I went from this to this. Let's go. First things first, we're gonna wash our hands. Okay, very important. Don't skip that step. Next, get your cup and your frozen fruit. And make sure you have your protein. Make sure it's pure isolate. That's key. Next, I'm gonna check it, and you can. Pour your frozen fruit. Oop, lost one. Put it back in there. Fruit check. Get a cup full of the pure isolate. I'm not gonna put the entire thing in there because I will be using creatine today. I'm not trying to be too bulky, you feel me? I like to add ice cubes in addition to the frozen fruit to make it thicker. Next, I'm adding chia seeds. I'm gonna scan the chia seeds to see how healthy or unhealthy they are, and they are 100 out of 100, extremely healthy. Add them. Water. Now, I'm gonna scan the water and it got a 65 out of 100. Doesn't say what's wrong with it though. Add the water. I don't measure. Creatine. Now I'm going to scan the creatine and you can't. Take a scoop of creatine and boop into your smoothie. Close it up. Now add the little screw thing on top. Blend that joint up. Now we dump it. Dump, 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 dump. More dumping. And it should be thicker, but like whatever. Then we're gonna add the ancient grains in, what is it? 87 out of 100. 67? Can't see. Gonna add that joint up into the mix. Shake that whole around. Add a few more because I'm greedy. Almond butter. Gonna scan the almond butter. Make sure it's good for you. Is that 100 out of 100 I see? I think so. We're gonna add that almond butter on. My smoothie's looking, or acai bowl. My acai bowl is looking mad ugly. It's typically cute, so I don't know what's going on right now. Little zoom in action so you can see what we working with. All right, boom. Next, I will be making a tuna fish sandwich, but the good way. So we got our albacore tuna fish. Got 42 grams of protein. We like that. Scan that, John. Oh my God. That's a horrible score. Not healthy at all. Pause to read up on the additives. The cool thing about this app is that it tells you better options for the food that you scan. Now get your can opener. Make sure you wash your cans because rats could have pooped on them. Crank them bad boys open. Yep, just like so. On to the next can. Crank that bad boy open. Yep. Okay, now wash your hands because you probably got tuna juice on them. Bowl, tuna cans. Open the tuna cans. Just gonna scrape that into the bowl. Real easy. And we gonna scrape the second can into the bowl. Also real easy. I like to make my meals in bulk. Now we're gonna add the QP mayonnaise. We're gonna scan this mayonnaise. This mayonnaise is absolutely horrid. 0 out of 100. These are the additives. These are the better options. I think mayonnaise is just bad for you, period, so there really is no better option. Squirt that mayonnaise up on there. I don't measure that either. I just go as I go. Now we gonna mix it together. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Mix, 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 mix. It should look like this by the time you're done. Now we're gonna add relish. We're gonna check the relish nutrition. Absolutely trash. Hella additives. And the other options are no bueno. Squirt that relish right up on there. Mix it up. Get it all throughout there. We're gonna add pepper because we're gonna season our tuna fish. We don't not season our tuna fish. Mix the pepper up. Now if you want to get crazy, add some salt. Bread. We're gonna check the bread's nutrition. It got a 94 out of 100. Absolutely outstanding. Everybody get some Dave's bread. Now we're gonna add this to the toaster. Spinach. Now we're gonna check the spinach's nutrition facts. You feel me? And we got a good old 100 out of 100 for the organic spinach. Retrieve the bread. Make it a little more crispy. Now we're gonna add the tuna fish right on top. Yummy. Looks so good. Dang, I wish I had one right now. We gonna add our spinach on top. Don't be scared with it. You're not even gonna taste it for real. Finito. Look at that sandwich. All healthy and juicy. 42 grams of good old protein. A thick mitch, if you will. You better get you one of these. So for my last and final meal, I got pho. I did not cook. I'm gonna just show y'all in this corner what it looked like, some of the veggies that I put inside of it and how delicious it looks and etc. I got chicken as my protein and I got chicken as the broth for my pho. It was very delicious, 100 out of 100. I also, what you see me squirting into the soup is hoisin sauce. Amazing. Try it if you haven't tried it yet. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.